There we go. We got the beautification light on. I'm KG. This is Rough to Be Buff TV. Today we are talking about calories. So everybody's always concerned about calories. That's how we get fat. That's how we get skinny. We want to get skinnier. We want to lose weight. We want to reduce our calories. If we want to get fat, we eat more calories than we're burning. It's as simple as that. And there's lots of other things that go into your weight loss or weight gain. But today we are strictly just talking about calories. Now, I just sent out an Instagram post that was literally probably no more than about a half hour ago. And I took a picture of a bunch of food. Actually, here it is right here. I took a picture of all this food right here. Make sure the glare isn't. You got some McDonald's, coffee, pizza, eggs, chicken, salmon, beer. And I basically posed a question to all my Instagram followers is, how many calories do you see in this photo right here? How many calories do you see in this photo? So just for funsies, I'm gonna share some answers because I'm going to reveal how many calories are in this photo at the end of this vlog. So some people said 1,500, 1,000. We're probably looking at 5K from Strawberry Tall Cake. Chris 4 USC, he put easily 2,500. Someone put 3K. My dad put 3,000. Ryan Hamang, shout out Ryan Hamang, 5,200. Let's go over to Face Place and see what everybody's saying on the Face Place. At least 5,000. Adrian Gomez. Betsy Reed put 3,246. Ryan Knight, the big dog. Aloha to Ryan Knight, 6,543 to be precise. The whole purpose of today's vlog is to show you guys what 1,200 calories looks like. Because for as long as I've been a trainer, people have come up to me and say, oh, Kyle, I'm trying to lose weight. I'm gonna eat 1,200 calories and then I'm gonna start losing weight, because that's the magic number that everybody needs to be eating to lose weight, is like 1,200 calories. Like, for some reason that needs to be the number. And I'm not saying that number is right or wrong, but what I wanted to do today, for the sake of learning and informing you, because that's what I love to do, inform you, show you what 1,200 calories looks like if you were to eat that in one day. So the first meal I'm gonna show you guys, this is kind of like the mom on the go meal, or maybe, hey, you don't have much time to eat, so you stop for fast food in the morning. The first meal is right here. So everything that you see right here, 1,200 calories, 1,200. Let's say you wake up, your kids are shitting all over the back seat of your car. You gotta grab some McDonald's because you don't have time. You grab yourself a Hashi, 2 egg and cheese McMuffies, an iced coffee, a 16-ounce iced coffee. You don't have that much time. Your kids are shitting all over the yard now, and you only got time to grab one of these highly processed Nature Valley protein bars, but it's got protein in it, so it must be good for you. And then you get home, you don't have that much time to eat again, and then you grab yourself a little piece of toast, a little bit of avocado on that toast, mush it around, and you got yourself some avocado toast. This is the gal on the go, the guy on the go. And I'm pretty sure some of you guys are doing things like this, which is totally fine, and that's the whole idea of today's vlog. That's 1,200 calories, okay? That's the person on the go. And I wanted to make a few different meals to show you kind of like a healthier approach, someone who may be on the go, and then just junk food. And that, we'll save that for the very, very end. So the second 1,200 calorie day looks like this. You got yourself an unbaked potato. I don't recommend eating them like this. You probably should bake them or cook them. An orange, 2 eggs, hard-boiled, scrambled. You kind of get the picture. I don't want to make all this food because I wouldn't be able to eat it. And then I need you to eat those flowers. Just kidding. Those are for Danny's birthday. Don't eat those. What are we looking at? Strawberries. 5 strawberries. Maybe get a little snack after your breakfast. And then let's say you go out to lunch with Karen, and you and Karen are like, oh my God, girl, I gotta start eating healthy. I'm gonna start eating some Brussels sprouts, and then I'm gonna eat some tuna. This is a large serving of tuna. It's actually supposed to look something like this, like 6 ounces, so just don't count that side. But this is what you and Karen ate at your local Yard House, maybe not. And then finally you get home and you have a delicious meal prep made for you by Fit Jane Marie with some organic hummus, 8 ounces of chicken, and some green beans, and a little bit of juice, a little bit of zest. This is all 1,200 calories. That's all 1,200 calories right there. So vastly different, very different from what you're seeing over here. Highly processed, on the go, gonna make your guts inflame, probably shit your pants with your kids in the back seat. You know, this probably isn't the best route for you to get in better shape. This does not look like health. This does not look like a better version of yourself. The last thing I'm going to show you, which is the all-American meal that we all know and love, and we've all been there and we've all done it, we've all enjoyed it. Beer and pizza. Beer and pizza. Yes, you are looking at 1,200 calories of DiGiorno pizza and just one beer. Who only has one beer? What a sad, sad world we live in, because I know that you don't have just one beer. So this is 1,200 calories. 4 slices of DiGiorno pizza that I kind of burnt a little bit, and then one beer. This is like your junk food day. And a lot of us do this literally at the bat of an eye, like really quickly. And I know that I could do 4 pieces of pizza, a handful of chips, some sour onion dip, maybe some carrots with the sour onion dip, celery with the onion dip, and then some chicken in the onion dip. You know what I mean? And then these kind of adds up, and pretty soon 1,200 calories turns into like 4,000 calories. So the answer to the Instagram post of how many calories were in that picture is 3,600, because these are 3 different days or 3 different examples of what 1,200 calories looks like. So hopefully that informed you and gets your brain start rolling and thinking of how many calories are you eating a day. If you found yourself in these huge weight gain periods of your life, your calories do matter. If you're unsure, log it just for a day or 2 and see what's going into your body. See how much calories you're getting. See how many grams of protein or carbs or fat, because I think you're in for a pleasant surprise. So that's kind of my call to action to you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. I am KG. This is Rough to be Buff TV. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe if you learned something new today, or if you just enjoyed my vlog. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.